Cat's life. Ah, it feels good to be a cat. Just relaxing. Relaxing by the wall. Nothing to do. Just listening to my surroundings.
I'm going to count to 10. When I reach 10, you will simply step off the ledge, and you will find everlasting peace.
My body is covered in hair, and my feet are fully functional. Being a cat is awesome. I'll show you the normal cat's life. Just having stakeouts in any random place, waiting for something to happen. I just relax. What are my manners? My name is Poopy Rancher. I'm listening, just listening. Sometimes incoming noise happens in my head.
And now I'm safe and not responsible for any of the acts perpetrated during your sentence. You're a free man. Not to look at the torso now, but how old friend. You're still thinking about your meeting with Joe?
No. There's nothing left to say. It's all in the past now.
It's been less than a year. I think there's plenty to say. It's all I just know that nothing's left unsaid.
You should say to yourself then. You did?
I saw a crayon.
You didn't mention the moment we sat down. When? How?
It's not like I wasn't going to tell you. You came into the ER, you needed stitches.
Of course.
So I took the opportunity to introduce myself. In a affectionate person because
It
you hadn't told
is very lonely,
It never came up.
and I cannot live like this.
What do you mean, right?
Did I have a bad time?
I will move. I will prefer to stand up because something is hitting me in my butt. I prefer to hide by the garbage. It is dark up in here. I have a strange habit of going under the bed. Bye bye. Please subscribe. Thank you.